All right, back once again with Wonderla. Mr. Joseph from the company is with us. Mr. Joseph, if you could also talk to us about how the revenue breakup has come in this time around between the resorts as well as park revenues. What is the kind of mix like in terms of revenue?
Revenue, the total revenue, about 95% has come from the park. In fact, our Hyderabad park has shown a footfall growth of 22% to 2.4 lakhs and revenue growth of 26%, whereas we have 3% footfall hike in Bangalore, which is at around 3.65 lakhs. And the revenue is at Bangalore is about 47.4 crores. And Kochi is a concern for us on account of various reasons, external reasons. Kochi, there's a degrowth in the footfall by about 2%, and the revenue, there's a degrowth of about 9%.
I was just
Kochi
coming.
in particular is on account of the excessive rainfall, unprecedented rainfall, and the breakout of Nipah virus. And hopefully by Onam, Kochi will also be able to show a better performance in Kochi.
Right, I was just going to ask you about why the performance in Kochi has been weak, which you've already addressed. But is it a seasonal factor? Is Q1, or rather this time of the year when the rains are fairly, the downpour is heavy, is this a season when the footfalls are less every year in Kochi?
In fact, this quarter one is a rainy season. But this year the rains have been advanced. And this is unprecedented rain in Kochi. And on the top of it, the Nipah virus breakout, and there has not been any tourist inflow to Kerala during the May-June season. And still it's raining in Kochi, and I think in another 1 month by Onam, I think it will be better. And we have done a lot of market activation in Kochi, by which I think the crowd will definitely come back to Kochi Park. I think we have taken a lot of innovative marketing strategies, and by market penetration, I think we'll be able to do better.
Did you also roll out any offers during the summer, and how much you have invested in the Kochi and Hyderabad plants for installing new rides during the summer time, May and June?
In fact, in Hyderabad, we have installed a latest, the ride by name Mission Interstellar. It is costed us almost about 40 crores, and that is very well accepted by the market. And Kochi, we have installed a roller coaster which is costing around 20 crores, and we have the latest roller coaster in all our 3 parks. In addition to that, the Mission Interstellar, which is installed in Hyderabad. It's all well received by the visitors, and they're all doing well.
Joseph, clearly your business is highly capital intensive and requires a significant amount of money, whether it's in the land or whether it's the installation of new rides. How will you address the concern of cost recovery and paths to profitability taking a long time to come by, as parks business is highly seasonal in nature and it depends on various holiday season, festive season, and so on and so forth?
Basically, we have in-house technology which is reducing our capital investment. On a comparative basis, we are able to bring down the capital cost compared to any industry, any amusement park of our size. That's a cost efficiency at the capital, investment level. Then number 2, we have achieved a lot of operational efficiency by a lot of, we are in existence for almost about 18 years. And the operational efficiency we have been able to improve over a period of time. So thereby, I think a new park we are able to break even. In fact, in Hyderabad, we were able to break even in just less than 3 years. And Hyderabad is really doing well. And I think, we are, very, certain that even though it's a capital intensive industry, and we will be able to recover the cost within about 3 to 4 years.
That's good to know, Mr. Joseph. Thanks much for taking time out to speak first to ET Now about what transpired in the quarter gone by and what is the outlook ahead for the company.